We need to talk about your AI blind spot. Did you know that 81% of your employees are already using unauthorized generative AI like ChatGPT? The average enterprise loss from an AI-related data breach? It's now measured in the millions. Your people aren't malicious, they're just smart. They're staring at a mountain of admin, and OpenAI is faster. So they use it. In fact, 50% of your trained workforce relies on this shadow AI daily, even in high-security roles. You can't stop the efficiency trend. You have to stop the data risk. The question is, how do you empower your team with intelligent automation without sending your confidential data to an external public server? The answer is the combined power of ThinkAutomation and OptimaGPT. ThinkAutomation is the industry-leading, secure automation platform that connects everything. And OptimaGPT is the secure private Gen AI server. It installs on-premise or in your private cloud, meaning your data never leaves your environment. We give your employees the efficiency they want, the intelligent automation they need, while completely eliminating the data privacy risk. Stop fearing AI. Start controlling it. Choose Safe AI. Click the link below to see a full demonstration of ThinkAutomation and OptimaGPT in action, and see how easy it is to deploy private, intelligent automation.